Remember passing around slam books when you're in high school? Those questions about your crush, your dreams, your friends, and even your first love. We thought they were just for fun.
But what if those questions actually held the secrets to success?
Welcome to Slam Book Millionaire with Jeff,
And Joanna,
and we are now on our second season! Ayan! Grabe, Jeff. Ang bilis ng panahon.
oo nga eh.
Imagine, we already had 12 episodes for season 1, wherein we have 9 guests. Diba?
Yes.
So, can you please mention the names of the people na naging parte ng season 1 natin?
Yes, we are so grateful to the following people who said yes to our invitation. We had Mr. John Pagulayan, Miss Clara Day Herrera, our loves, Miss CJ Cajoles, Risa
Yes.
Sebastian, Candy Esmundo, Alec Cuenca, Ralph Laico, Leanne De La Cruz,
Yes.
and Real Talk Dars.
Yes, sa inyo pong lahat, maraming salamat for giving us your time, for sharing all your experiences with us, and especially to our dear viewers. Because the truth is, even if Jev and I are here fully present, together with our production team, the co-create team, di ba? Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo na nagpa-unlock na maging bisita po namin kayo sa Slumbook Millionaire, hindi po magiging successful ang season 1. Kaya, please receive all our gratitude. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Yes.
Ano yung mga Jev? Ano yung mga tumatak sa'yo about season 1? What do you like about it?
First of all, yung pagiging generous ng mga guests natin. And I will
Yes.
never forget yung mga shinare nila na never nilang na-share
Yes.
sa anumang platform.
Napakanta natin ng
Yes,
isang
marami tayong
JBL.
And may mga sikreto siyang ni-reveal.
Yes, si Alec Cuenca naghanda, talagang kumanta din.
Yes, and bitin na bitin sila.
True.
Dahil ang ating format is masyadong chill.
Yes.
Kasi kwentuhan lang. But the
Mm-mm.
guests are actually big-time entrepreneurs.
Yes, they're not millionaires. They are in fact multimillionaires in every
Yes.
sense of the word. They're not just earning multi-millions in their own businesses and their own personal endeavors, pero yung mindset din naman talaga nila.
Yes.
And also the heart to give to others, multi-millionaire, if not billionaire ang level.
Yeah, so if you have seen them or heard them sa mga talks nila, they talk about business. But in Slumbook Millionaire, you heard stories that you've never heard before.
Their
Mga-
own slam book live,
Yes.
right?
Mga kasikre-sikreto.
Yes.
And I really enjoyed spending time with them and
Mhm.
talking to them.
Mm-mm. Ako, what I love about season 1 or Islamic Millionaire in general, kasi 'di ba, uso ngayon talaga si Marites, si Marisol. Ano pa yung yun, yung mga magkakabarkada na yan. Pero what we offer to our dear viewers kasi sa Islamic Millionaire is the good Samarites.
Good Samaritans.
The
Good chismis.
The
The good chismis.
Diba, sabi nga nila, if you want to succeed in life, instead of talking about people, talk about their journeys.
Yes.
Ano yung mga lessons nila, ano yung mga experiences nila, ano yung mga pinagdaanan nila,
Correct.
na probably po pwede mong maging playbook, po pwede mong maging blueprint, para ikaw
Yes.
din sumakses step
Step
by
by
the step, sabi niya. And that's what we provided to them. And that's what our guests sa season 1, na mga binigay talaga nila, as you mentioned nga, generously.
Yes. And also, we would like to thank the viewers na sinamahan kami for season 1.
True.
Diba?
Yes.
Thank you for
Oo.
staying tuned with us. Thank you sa lahat ng tumawa. Ang dami namin na-receive na feedback na nakakatuwa yung Slumbook Millionaire kasi it's very chill and at the same time marami silang natututunan.
Yes.
Diba? Yun ang gusto
And
natin eh.
ang ganda ng mga comments nila.
Yes.
Talagang nagpi-feedback sila. Ibig sabihin, talagang pinapanood nila yung entire
Yeah.
episode. So maraming salamat po talaga sa inyo. And because of that, ngayon, season Season 2 na po ang Slambook Millionaire.
Yay!
All because po sa suporta na binibigay po ninyo dito sa amin. Kaya thank you so much. So, ano naman ang ma-expect nila for Season 2, Jev?
Ano nga ba? Another set or mga guests natin, ito mga big time entrepreneurs as well.
Yes. Ikapagpapatuloy lang, kumbaga,
Yes.
ipagpapatuloy lang natin kung ano yung nasimulan natin sa Season 1 and more.
I-reveal na ba natin yung mga names kagad?
Hindi
pa.
na muna.
Hindi na muna. Para
meron
sikreto.
sila, para abangan nila sa page natin
Yes.
kung sino-sino ba yung mga iimbitahan natin. Because truth be told po, even no Season 1 talaga, ang dami po sa mga guests namin, they're super busy people kasi they are doing a lot. Hindi ko baga sila yung mga multitaskers in terms of their business, and they're coaching a lot of people. And yet, when we invited them to be part of the show po, they readily said yes. So, ganun po
Yes.
talaga yung pagtulong na meron sila. More so, para po sa show namin. But of course, para po mas lalong supportahan kayo ng mga viewers po namin. So, for the second season po, expect more of that
Yes.
generosity to flow into your lives. And just like what we did sa Season 1, every episode po, we will be interviewing different people from different backgrounds po so that you can have different POVs every now and then.
And if you want someone na gusto nyong i-invite namin, let us know. Diba?
Opo, basta ang criteria po natin, definitely, we want, if you are a millionaire or a multi-millionaire, you have already did so much in your own community or in your own industry, message us po and we would love to feature you in one of the
Yes.
episodes of Slambook Millionaire. Of course, Jev, we also want to acknowledge, and baka kasi yung mga viewers natin nagtataka, parang iba na yung setup. Diba? We
I
are in a
love our
different
setup today.
studio. Ayan po. So we are in the studio of Co-Create.
Thank you so much, Co-Create.
Yes, we're located here in Capitolio, Pasig. So if you're looking for a place din po to have your own podcast, or if you are a video content creator at naghahanap ka po ng isang chill, elegant, maayos at malinis na lugar to shoot your videos,
Yes.
plus you also need a production team support to support you, please do contact Co-Create po because they are the people behind, they are the team behind po sa Slambook Millionaire and even po sa personal branding namin ng mga videos ni Jev.
Yes,
Yan.
and if also looking for a venue for your events, you can also rent this studio of Co-Create.
Yes, very lang po sila, very affordable lang po yung rental nila, kaya kayang-kaya po ninyo yan.
Yeah, and very strategic yung location.
Nasa gitna,
Oo,
yes. And
hindi
then
siya malayo sa ano.
Ang abundant ng mga food stalls. Maraming
Yes.
restaurants. So, hindi ka po mamumroblema for coffee, for whatever. Kasi ang dami lang po. Ang dami mo talaga pagpipilian in terms of the food. Of course, before we na lang din, pasalamatan lang din natin ulit, Jeff. Sino ba yung mga naging sponsors natin
Yes.
for Season 1?
And we would like to thank you so much, Miss Clara de Herrera of Pillow Bread PH, Pillow Beds PH, and also we have, of course, Lorus Trainings, our very own
Yes.
company. We also like to thank I Am Fantabulous, the affirmation shirts by Joanna Marie. Also Smoke Love PH, our company. Yan, the Texas Like Barbecue. Who else? Meron pa ba tayong nakalimutan?
Wala naman na so far. But if you are looking for something, for a podcast, for a show, na gusto mo maging parte, gusto mo ma-feature yung product mo, yung company mo, or yung service mo, at naghahanap ka ng isang brand na definitely makakapag-provide ng inspiration and motivation to a lot of people, we are welcoming you to be part of the Slambook Millionaire. We'd be happy to support you and to partner with you as one of our sponsors for the Season 2 of
Yes!
Slambook Millionaire. Ayan. Anong may expect nila from you, Jeff, for Season 2 before we end?
Bolder? Ano ba? Meron pa ba?
Syempre,
Let me know kung meron kayong gusto.
Is there anything that you want to know from Jeff?
And also Joanna.
Yes, so do let us know po. We would be happy to support you and be part of your own journey to success through the Slambook Millionaire. So see you po sa mga next episodes natin. Bye for now. God bless you.
Bye!
Remember, you're so fantabulous. That's why you are with Slambook Millionaire. Bye!